This is vowel I. The sound is E. E. Please repeat, children. E. E is for insect. E is for igloo. E is for iguana. E. Insect, igloo, iguana. E. Indian. E. Infant. E. Ink. Indian, infant, ink. E. E. Inventor. E. Invitation. E. Inside. Inventor, invitation, inside. E. E. Injection. E. Eel. E. Inchworm. Injection, eel, inchworm. Another sound of letter I is I. Same sound as we pronounce the letter I. For example, I, iron. I, island. I, ice skates. Iron, island, ice skates. For examples, I, ice cube. I, ice box. I, ice cream. Ice cube, ice box, ice cream. Let's read more. Indian, infant, ink, igloo, insect, iguana, inventor, invitation, inside, injection, eel, inchworm. Iron, island, ice skates, ice cube, ice box, ice cream. Now, children, it's your turn to read. You're the best! Remember, kids, Letter I, the sound is E or I.